Big data is going mainstream. How do I know? Well, NPR just did a story that talks about how big data will help consumers. Atlantic Magazine and the Harvard Business Review have written about big data. They're not exactly your garden variety tech journals. Why is this significant? Well, big data promises to change decision-making forever. Enterprises have zettabytes, that's a zettabyte with 18 zeros, of data. And unless you've tested your hypothesis against that corporate asset, your peers could undercut you. In other words, business executives have a new dynamic to deal with. Gut-level decisions are out the window. Decisions based on numbers and spreadsheets, the traditional ammunition for projects to get the go-ahead, have to be supported now by predictions, forecasts, and patterns that are mined from gobs of data. The NPR headline, Following Digital Breadcrumbs to Big Data Gold, says big data is how Facebook, Groupon, and Human Genome Sciences, those are three firms, very diverse. This is how they work their magic, by wading through terabytes of data, zettabytes as I said earlier, to predict prices and create new therapies. A French bank admitted it might have caught a rogue trader by looking more carefully at that individual's digital character as seen through his communication habits. The NPR article focuses on how our email and social media, for instance, form our digital character. Yes, it's mundane information, but it says a lot more about us than we realize. The French bank noticed the rogue trader never used email, preferring instead to talk on a cell phone, and his cell phone bill was unusually large. The trader was eventually, as they say, busted. But had they used data mining tools, they might have caught him sooner. Data mining has been the staple of genome sequencing for the better part of a decade. Decoding DNA is arcane and a highly specialized business, once requiring supercomputer-like power not found in PC servers. It is the very essence of data mining. You could say that that industry gave birth to the idea of mining vast oceans of data. But that was structured data, typically found in highly organized databases. Now the big dog is unstructured data found in email and social media and things like that. Certainly, business-level people will have to use data mining tools to one degree or another. We're not there yet. Data mining is still somewhat specialized and only something database wonks and tech-savvy executives can truly appreciate. But that's changing. Could consumers start mining their own data? After all, they own it. But why would they want to? And what about privacy and that thorny issue of who owns the data and who can do what with it? Invariably, answers, or more likely, hints and clues will start to reveal themselves as big data gets traction in the enterprise. Tell me what you think. This is John Dodge, Community Manager of the Enterprise CIO Forum. We'll see you again.